Hey everyone, tonight I'm making these little mini taco casseroles. So I've got some corn tortillas, cheddar cheese, and I'm going to just layer, got my taco meat, corn and beans, Spanish rice, salsa. I'm going to start layering. Here we go. So first I'm going to do meat. Each one. Then I'm gonna do, what should I do? Corn? Why not? And then we can do some beans. More cheese. More of this. More cheese. More tortilla. I guess I'll hit it with some rice. Doesn't really matter how they come together, honestly. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. I don't know where my tripod is for the kitchen. You guys, I lost it when I moved. So let's build this second one. And I'm gonna put these in the toaster oven, sorry, the broiler oven, and let them get all crisped up and see how they come out. So for now, it's like I'm just gonna keep going with things. I'm gonna put a little bit of salsa and put some more meat. I'm gonna use up all this beef. I don't really care if these are, you know, overflowing. I have a tray to put them on. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going with things and keep smashing these down and keep the layers going. They all fit in these little squares. Okay, I'll let you guys know how they turn out. Yeah, see you soon.